Hello, welcome to this video where I'll tell you a little bit more about the Cryptospots DApp. I apologize, the Moonlanders have taken over my drivers and my C920 webcam will not display video. So here's a picture of me for reference. I'm going to tell you a little bit about this project that we've started based on the Tron blockchain. We've made a TRC10 token called Cryptospot. This is our website, Cryptospots.app. If you go to tronscan.org, you can find our token. It's number 1001308. There's our logo. So our goal with this project is to create an app based on the Tron blockchain. Our app will be an interactive map of businesses that accept cryptocurrency. Our goal is to bring retailers and consumers together in a useful app. It'll be for Android and iOS. In the app, you'll find a map of every listed business from our app, and you can look up those sites, look up their location, you can navigate to the business, find their accepted currencies, what they sell, all their contact information. What's neat about this map is you see we've got a few spots already listed here. As we fill in these spots, we're going to have partnerships. We're talking to a few different Bitcoin ATM companies, a Fiat ATM company, lots of big chains. I'm trying to get in the door with the Pundy X people. Unifox ATM is a target. There's a lot of people taking Digibyte, and there are so many opportunities around the world to find businesses that accept crypto. You know, there's hundreds of thousands out there, and there's no real good tool for everyone to locate these businesses. So we're hoping to fill up this whole map and help users find all these businesses. Another cool thing about our app is the way you can search. You're going to be able to look for these businesses based on different criteria. What do they sell? Where are they located? What coins do they accept? And the users will be rewarded for using this app. So we're building the contract for Spot Token. There's going to be 1 billion tokens total. When we get the contract running, users of the app and retailers will be rewarded for completing certain actions. For example, and this is all in the white paper that should be linked here. TronScan's a little behind because they've had some issues the past couple weeks, but our white paper was here, and hopefully they'll bring it back. It's also in our Discord. I'll post links in the video. So the reward structure for different actions that you complete on our app or our DApp. Say a person wants to visit a business, and I'm just going to pick one here. Pex Peppers, that's a big XVG community member, so I'll pick on him a little bit. So this guy is over in Colorado. Let's say that this is a brand new listing, and he has just paid. This is just hypothetical. Say this is a brand new listing, he just paid to be listed on the site. Once his information is auto-populated, you know, he's going to fill out the form and pay his fee, and he's going to get listed automatically. The website does the work. So then a user can come on, and once they log in, they'll see some available bounties. So let's say over in this area of the screen on the user page, they'll see available bounties. So Pex Peppers, being a new listing, will have a bounty available to a user where the user can come and verify all the information in the listing. So the user who completes the bounty is responsible for just reading all the information, making sure it's accurate, and locating the business, making sure that's accurate, and contacting the business. Hey, is this stuff correct? Reaching out, we're going to complete the bounty. So to complete the bounty, the reward will be paid out in Spot Token. Each bounty completed will merit a certain amount of the token. So we will know specifically which bounty was completed, based on the amount of the token that was rewarded. So another example of a bounty is, let's say a user wanted to visit one of these spots. We are desperately trying to talk to the XYO blockchain people. Awesome project. They've responded to my emails. They sound interested. They want to talk when we're both a little further on in development. They're doing some really cool stuff. And my idea to partner with them is another bounty. Let's say someone's visiting roadway moving. When you go to their location, you'll be able to check in. And what XYO could do for us is proof of location. So when the user visits this place, they open up their Cryptospots app, they activate their XYO location services, and they verify their location, and they get a bounty. Another way to get a bounty would be just by joining the site. So whenever we sign up a new user, there's a few options. When you join, you get a bounty, but there's going to be several options here for merchants. There's a simple online listing for online businesses. If you've just got a web store and you want to get listed on here, we're going to have a comprehensive list of all online businesses that accept cryptocurrency. So a merchant online can get listed, or a brick and mortar listing. That'll be seen on the map. Featured listing would be one that's prominently displayed on the website. We give them a little extra space, and they get priority for viewership. So when you open up this website or app, you'll see the featured listing a little more prominently displayed. And part of that process will be special deals from that user or retailer. You're going to be made aware of certain offers they have or promotions they're doing. And then the other aspect of a listing is just a personal listing. This is a cool idea we had. So to kind of bring this all together in the social media aspect, we've got a really cool chat widget here. And this is actually a patented chat widget. Our developer has the patent for this. You come in here and of course you can post links and pictures, and there's going to be a radio player. There's private messaging. A lot of little options. You can have an avatar and chat and some quirky little things on here, but it's also is driven by some ads. But this little chat box is going to be really cool. So we're going to integrate a form of karma. So another way that users can get a bounty is to maintain good karma and participation. If you look over at the map again, there's and this is still being built. It's not fully operational yet. Every day we change a little bit. You see on the map here, there's a rating. You can rate a business. You can give karma to a user or rate a user. So as you move up and down the ranks of the karma and rating and participating and giving those reviews and ratings, you'll get bounties. You'll get rewards and spot. So this all tied together with the social aspect of it. We've got the chat, we've got the rating system, and the interaction system. So as people are, visiting these spots and verifying listings, participating in sales and marketing, which is another category, they'll be building up spot token. So a way they can use tokens, you can reward users, like a gift, like Reddit gold almost. Send somebody some spot token as a gift, and you'll get some karma for that. We're going to have a voting system, which you can use spot to vote. We're going to be listed on a couple exchanges when we start. This whole project will be fully launched and operational in March. So we're going to be listed on a couple exchanges to start out, probably one of the Tron dexes. We're even tossing around the idea of having our own DEX on this site. We're going to have integrated wallets, impeccable security. If you go to some websites and you right-click on their page, you'll be able to inspect. You can't do that on our site. This is, encrypted and blocked. We've got really good servers. It's a fortress for you guys. So, we're going to have some exchange listings. There's going to be the social aspect of the coin, where you can give to other people, use for voting, and we're gonna have a store, an online store in here. It's actually in development. I've seen the page; it's looking really good. We're doing some awesome crypto-themed sublimation and T-shirts, and an amazing aspect of this, and this all ties in with the social aspect. A user's page can have a link to any referrals or websites, whatever links they want to have, but also their own store, and that can be connected to their wallets. So every user can have their own store. When they have a paid personal listing, you can sell your own items on here. So we'll have our own store, users can have stores, and then you got, you know, almost unfathomable resources to find other stores around the world. What else do we need to cover in this video? This is all off the top of my head here. I didn't plan this very well. Okay, so a little more info about the token. We do have a neutral rating, which is a little bit better than the par. This project is fully going to be launched in March. These numbers have gone up a little bit. I think we've, that looks good. I think somebody participated. So you can participate in this token launch until March 1st. Our trading price right now is half of a Tron. So you get 2 spot token for 1 Tron. You know, Tron was a penny when I started this. Now we're up to, you know, 2.5 cents. Still pretty reasonable. This is going to be a really cool project with just a huge variety of uses, and really I think we're going to tie together all of blockchain and crypto by bringing people around the world to one spot. That's why it's called Spot Token. So all these crypto spots, all these users are going to be able to find everywhere and go there. So another really exciting thing about this app, we're going to have cryptographic events and augmented reality events. Treasure hunts, stuff like that. So we were just working on this a little while ago too. Today is January 16th. Occasionally on this map you'll see a new icon pop up, and of course we're going to have some, you know, if we integrate fiat ATMs, you'll see a kind of a cash symbol for those or something like that. But a lot of these are going to be different symbols and coded with the legend over here, so you'll know what you're looking at. But when we do these cryptographic treasure hunts or AR events, stuff like that, it'll be, you know, Cryptospots Go. It's going to be fun. So, for example, we're talking about somewhere in the northern LA of hiding a paper wallet somewhere, and we're going to post just a little blip on the map here, and you'll be able to click on it, and you'll see a clue as to where it is. So you go and search for the paper wallet. Or we'll have an encrypted message pop up, you know, in some random place, and you can click on that and decrypt the message on your own and recover the seed or private key and get the tokens or coins. There's gonna be a lot of different coins we do this with, so expect a huge variety. And the other thing is the AR. People are gonna be walking around with an app. You know, I went to New York a few months ago and I didn't have any cash on me a couple times. I was like, man, I wish these people could take crypto. You know, I need to tip my cab driver, or, you know, the waitress here, and it's a cash-only place, something like that. I want to give people crypto. So this is going to be a neat tool for people to be able to find that. But with all the available resources here, this is going to be a kind of an app where you're looking at it multiple times a day. And I think that having some augmented reality events where you can collect, and we haven't fully thought this out yet, but you collect little tokens or items that will reward you. There's going to be all kinds of giveaways from our retailers. So you know, you could win some kind of coupon or a free service from one of these people. We give away some small ASIC miners or other coins, devices, stuff like that. So the AR thing will be a cool treasure hunt, and who knows what'll pop up, what you'll see. But this is really going to tie everything together as far as the crypto space goes. We're hoping that tens of thousands of people will use this app to truly give crypto a use case around the world. So this is kind of a impromptu, off the top of my head, explanation of the Cryptospots app that we're working on, or on Twitter we are Cryptospots.app. Once again, I am Cretinous. My name is Matt. I'm working hard on this. If you have any questions, you can comment or join our Discord. Look me up on Twitter. Pretty approachable about all this stuff, and I want to be transparent. So thanks for your time, and I hope to see you soon.